today we're going to add biomes into this 2D Minecraft game we created. So I've already created a sand sprite and a sandstone sprite costume. Now we're just going to make it so these will appear in the world. So at the moment we've got the player, the main series is completed, and now I'm just doing a few post-series improvements to the game which will just make it seem a bit more Minecrafty. So to start off, just create a new variable, call it biome, set it to pick random 1 to 2. If it is equal to, let's say, 1, it's going to do the original terrain. If it's equal to 2, it's going to do some new terrain that we're just going to create. Set it. So to begin with, we're going to just set the costume to that. We're then going to set it to the new one we just created. Get rid of that clone and add one onto there, as we don't want any more grass to generate. Make sure you do not have the original biome under that. Okay, we've done that the wrong way around, but it is working. So, now I've done that, just switch those. Oh, whoops, don't want -1 there. Okay, now, as you can see, we've now got a kind of desert generating. Just add 1 to that. Is it? Oh, okay, no, never mind. Okay, as you can see, now we've got a desert. Let's hide some of the variables we've got there. Health, for example. We'll just put that like there. Let's change that back to 4. And instead just have an extra one, which we don't change by 24. That. Get rid of that. We don't want it really. Okay, now we're just going to make it so cactuses spawn. I'm just going to duplicate the wood sprite and change it into a kind of green looking thing to make it look a bit more like a cactus. Okay, so here that looks decently like a cactus, I guess, ish. So now we're just going to get rid of the extra bits here and just change it to a pick random. Let's say 2 to 3. Switch that to costume 13. Put that back, and as you can see, we should have cactuses appear. And make sure you do not switch costume there. As you can see, we've now got biomes. But we need to make sure we fix the collisions in order to make it look a bit better. Well, work better. Okay, so now just we're going to add a new touching color. Check for that color there, and then just duplicate it and put it there. Change it by -5. As you can see, that's now working. I've also noticed that we forgot to add collisions to trees. To do this, just let's do the cactus as well. Make it this bright green, and let's see, can we get a regular one? Yep, we have. Change it to turbo mode to speed everything up. Okay, there. Now duplicate it again. This time we're going to detect the tree color, which is that one. Put it over into there and change it by -7.5 on both of those. And that will conclude this short little tutorial I've done. As you can see now, that's working. We've got tree collisions. You can still walk through grass, but I think that's kind of fine. Jumping through leaves, kind of. Okay, bye.